Hello, today is August 25th, 2026. We are conducting a video source inspection for one of our international customers. This will be video 1 of 3. Located here is the customer's 328 controller, and above that is our control panel / light indicator panel, which will let us know at any given point in time what is activated during the process. Our process will consist of a 30-second rinse at 1000 RPM, a 30-second dry 1 at 2000 RPM, and we will end it off with a 30-second dry 2 at 1000 RPMs. Let's begin. Our RSP will engage momentarily. As you can see, our RSP has engaged and our door has unlocked. This concludes the video source inspection. We'll see you in the next video. This is video 2 of 3. Right here is another one of their 328 controllers. Above is located our control / light indicator panel, which lets us know at any given point in time during the process what is engaged. Of which our process will consist of a 30-second rinse at roughly 1000 RPMs, a 30-second dry 1 at roughly 2000 RPMs, and then finally a 30-second dry 2 at roughly 1000 RPMs. Let's begin. Alrighty, then our RSP will engage momentarily. Timing depends on software. Roughly 30 to 60 seconds. And this concludes the video source inspection. See you in the next video. Hello, today is August 25th, 2026. We are conducting our third and final video source inspection for an international customer of ours. Located here is their third and final 328 controller. Up above it is our control panel / light indicator panel, which will tell us at any given point in time what is happening during the process, of which our process will consist of a 30-second rinse at 1,000 RPMs, a 30-second dry 1 at 2,000 RPMs, and then finally a 30-second dry 2 at 1,000 RPMs. Let's begin. All right, and our RSP will engage momentarily. Timing depends on software, generally between 30 and 60 seconds. As you can see, our RSP has engaged, our door has unlocked, and this concludes our video source inspection. Have a great day. Thank you for choosing Sitek, where we make way for drying a breeze.